Welcome to Yoga Fit with Ed and Ross. Today we will do Natarajasana. It is a deep back bend that requires patience, focus and persistence. Let's start. Stand in Tadasana facing the front of the mat. Bend your right knee and bring your right heel toward your backside. Reach back with your right hand and clasp your ankle. Bring your right knee alongside your left knee. Bring your body into symmetry. To do that, press down with your left big toe mount. Draw your left outer hip into the midline and bring the right side of your pelvis and chest forward in line with your left. Maintain the symmetry in your body as you start to press your right thigh back and up. Simultaneously reach your left arm forward and up, leading with your inner upper arm. Concentrate at one point and keep up the focus on that point. Lead with your inner thigh and press your right big toe mount away from you. Reach your sternum away from your navel to maintain the lift of your chest while you extend back and up with your right thigh. Keep your right knee in toward the midline rather than splaying it out to the side. Hold for 5 to 10 breaths here, then release back to Tadasana. Repeat on the other side as well. The pose is named after the Lord Shiva, Nataraja, king of the dance. Dancer pose improves balance and focus. It can boost energy and fight fatigue and help build confidence. Practice balancing poses such as Vrikshasana, the tree pose. Refer to my Vrikshasana video to know how to achieve and learn the correct way to do Vrikshasana, which will further help you achieve Natarajasana and many more balancing yoga poses. Refer to the link in description below. It strengthens your core and back muscles and stretches your chest and shoulders. Stretches the front of your hip, that is hip flexor, front of your thigh, the quadricep, and ankle. On the standing leg, it strengthens the front of your hip, that is hip flexor, your thigh, while you stretch, while also stretching the back of your thigh or hamstring, shin, and ankle. On the lifted leg, it strengthens your glutes and back of your thigh, that is hamstring. If the video was informative, interesting and useful, do like, share and subscribe. Practice yoga every day. Start today for a better tomorrow.